Here are 4 tips for dialogue punctuation. Tip number 1. Quotation marks are placed before the first word of a quote and after the punctuation that follows the last word. Notice how both of these examples place the spoken words inside the quotation marks. Tip number 2. When the speaker tag follows the quote, it ends in a period. When the tag precedes the quote, it ends in a comma. Notice how the first example shows the speaker tag after the dialogue, and the second example shows it before the dialogue. Tip number 3. The punctuation that ends a quote is written inside the quotation marks. Notice the ending question mark and exclamation points in these examples. Tip number 4. When the tag follows a quote, quotes that do not end in an exclamation point or question mark end in a comma instead of a period. In this example, notice the period being replaced by a comma. Use these rules when editing your work.
Created using Powtoon.